When your soft heat heating pad stops working, these quick troubleshooting steps can often solve the problem. We'll walk through the most common fixes in order of likelihood. Step 1. Check your power supply. Plug the heating pad into a different working outlet to rule out power source issues. Make sure the plug is securely connected and avoid using power strips or extension cords. Step 2. Inspect all cords and connections. Look carefully for frayed wires, exposed cords, or broken plugs. If your heating pad has a detachable controller, unplug it and reconnect it firmly. Step 3. Check the controller lights. A blinking red or green light usually indicates a fault. This is your heating pad's way of telling you something is wrong and needs attention. Step 4. Reset your heating pad. Turn it off, unplug it from both the wall and controller if detachable, then wait 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the internal safety systems to fully reset. After waiting, reconnect everything and power it back on. Step 5. Ensure proper positioning. The heating pad must be laid completely flat and never folded or bunched up. Folding triggers the automatic safety shutoff feature, which is designed to prevent overheating. Step 6. If controller buttons feel stiff or unresponsive, there's a simple fix. One user discovered that a screw on the controller was too tight, causing button problems. Carefully loosening the screw resolved the issue completely. These 6 troubleshooting steps address the most common soft heat heating pad problems: power issues, cord damage, controller faults, and safety shutoffs. Try these solutions in order, and most heating pad problems will be resolved quickly. When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your soft heat heating pad issues, these advanced techniques can help identify and fix more complex problems. If your heating pad has a digital controller, check your user manual for specific error code meanings. These codes can pinpoint exactly what's wrong with your device. Some heating pad models include a factory reset option. This can resolve software-related issues that standard troubleshooting cannot fix. Safety must always be your top priority when using heating pads. Following proper safety guidelines prevents injuries and ensures effective treatment. Never use your heating pad while sleeping or on areas of insensitive skin. Always read all instructions before use and check your skin frequently to prevent burns. Soft heat heating pads include automatic shutoff features for your protection. Standard models shut off after 60 minutes, while deluxe models offer adjustable timing from 30 to 120 minutes. If problems persist after trying these troubleshooting steps, contact Soft Heat customer support for professional assistance, repairs, or warranty replacement. If your heating pad still doesn't work after exhausting all troubleshooting options, it may be time to consider purchasing a replacement unit for your safety and comfort.